This video will show you how to renumber your incident reports that have a 13 and the -74 in their incident number. You'll see here I have an incident report and an EMS report. And the incident number can't just be resolved in the NFIRS incident report because there's 7 or 8 different instances where that incident number is referenced and all need to be changed. So we're going to go ahead and open up SQL Server Management Studio. We're going to connect to our Firehouse database. And then here's where we'll find our Firehouse database. I'm using the FH demo database to find out the name of your database and the server that it's on. If we open up the remote connection configuration under Firehouse Software 7, it'll show us there our server name and our database name. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the query that I sent you over. You're going to need to make a change to it. So what we're going to do is open up the query, which is called renumber incidents.sql. We open that up, you're going to see the first thing we need to do is change the database name at the top to match what your database name is. My database is called FH Demo, so that's what mine is called. All you need to do in here is type in the name of your database. If I wanted to use my Bridgeport database, I could just type it in here, and this query would work for that. But for this example, we're going to continue using Firehouse Demo. The first thing that you are going to do is right-click on your Firehouse Demo database, go to Tasks, and you're going to run through your backup procedure for backing up your database so you can restore it later in case this does not work for you. You'll choose a destination, back it up, and then you can always restore it if there's any problems. Anytime you make a change to your database, you want to back it up ahead of time. So in here you're going to see we're going to be updating the activity main, the dispatch main, EMS main, the incident mutual aid table, incident main, incident unit, and inventory usage. What we do is this is already set up to basically take out the left 3 incident numbers, or your 13 dash. It's going to add 2 zeros and then the rest of the incident number, where the left 2 digits after the dash are 74. So it's basically 74s and make them zeros. With this script highlighted, we're going to come up here to execute, and it should go ahead and change rows in my tables that I was currently using. Activity main, because I had a person actually on one of the calls. And what we're going to basically do is cancel and close both of my incidents. And now if I go back up into incident, I should be able to open up that same incident. And as I enter that number in, you'll see that I have my incident report, my EMS report, which isn't complete just because it hasn't gone through its NEMSIS validations, but my staff activity, my equipment used, my units, and my personnel all were renumbered. That should fix up your issues.